Hi, my name's Caitlin Morris and I teach technology at Signature Premier Properties. Today we have a KVCore tutorial for you. KVCore is our tech platform and it's completely free for all our agents here at Signature. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a listing flyer, door hanger, or postcard for any of your listings with just a few clicks. So you need to have an active listing to be able to do this. First, you're going to go to Marketing on the left-hand side and then open Core Listing Machine. Once Core Listing Machine is open, it'll bring you to this new window where it's all green. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of your active listings. Click on one and click on View. This will open that listing's profile, and on the right-hand side it says Print Center. So click on Print Center, and then it gives you options to make customizable flyers, door hangers, or postcards with just a few clicks that you can download or print out. Door hangers, quick note. You can do just listed or just sold. It's the same steps for all of these, but you can go on Amazon and purchase the door hanger paper that's already perforated, and you can just print these out as our office if you ever need something last minute. But back to flyer. So here's an example of one of the flyers. This is actually one of Michaela Viard's listings. Thanks for letting me use your account. So I'm just gonna click on Custom, and here are all these different templates you can choose. They all look a little different and have different amounts of photos and text depending on what your listing has. Check out all these different flyers. Each box just shows the same flyer in a few different colors because you can pick your color. I'm gonna choose this last one. So you click Choose Style, and now from here you can pick your color scheme. So I always choose sky blue because it looks like Signature colors, but you could choose whatever color scheme you want. Scroll down, click Continue. And now it's letting you choose the photo location. So this flyer has 3 photos. It says position 1, position 2, position 3. If you scroll down, it'll show all of the photos for that listing on MLS. So you can select which photo you want to go where. So maybe I don't want the bathroom on this picture, which is in position 3. So I'm gonna just choose a picture of the lot instead for position 3. Scroll down, click Continue. Now it's gonna pull all of the text from MLS. It's all in here. If you edit anything within here, it's not gonna edit it on MLS, only for this one flyer. But just check out the listing description because each different flyer has a different character limit, so you might go over. So this one, it's fine, but make sure it doesn't go over the character limit and get cut off in the middle of a word or a sentence. Once you create the flyer, every flyer will automatically have a QR code that says scan here to view more, which will link to that listing's profile on your website. So just scroll all the way down, click Continue. Now you have this flyer that's customized to you. Just a cool thing that you can set up really quickly if you have a listing, you're going on a presentation, to an open house, you want to bring something with you. With a few clicks, you can customize a listing flyer. If you have any questions about KVCore or you're looking to learn more about Signature, send me a message.